Boy, you know you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a back to school minutes vlog slash get ready with me for the first day of senior year. The caption not gonna be that long, but that's just what the video is gonna be. But first I'm going to be going to my nail appointment and I'm taking y'all with me, so I hope y'all ready for the ride. Let's go.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to.
Okay, hey y'all, so I just got my nails done. They're really cute. Hold on. Okay, I'll see it. I'm gonna show y'all a better video, but now I'm finna go home because my phone about to die and I ain't got my charger with me. Basically, today is hair appointment day, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Like, it don't even, I think I got this done like 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure. I really don't remember when I got this done, but it wasn't that long ago. But anyway, so it's currently 2:15, so I was at the school, we was doing this thing, whatever, and I'm about to leave. I'm about to head home, wash my hair, and then I'm gonna be on the way to my hair appointment, y'all. It's Monday, August 24th. And then I gotta do my lashes tomorrow, but I got my nails done already. So now I'm finna go home, wash my hair, and then go to my cousin's house and then get my hair done. Yeah. So I'll talk to y'all at my hair appointment. See y'all. Hey y'all. So y'all like my lashes? Thank you. I did it myself. So this is what the lashes look like. That's the cat. Hey y'all, it's 6:21, first day of school. I'm finna go ahead and get in the bathroom because I woke up late. My mom didn't go off, so yeah.
I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me.
And then this is my teeth. I just did it. Okay, hey y'all. I just got done with my teeth whitening. I just took it out because I couldn't really talk, so y'all didn't really know what's going on. It's more like I gotta watch it figure out, and I don't really like that. And yeah, so I got the outfit on. I still gotta do some other stuff. I gotta do my lip liner, and then I gotta do my mascara for the bottom lashes. So yeah, we're gonna just do that real quick. And then yeah, so I forgot to record. So I did the brow, I'm gonna do the purple. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna do my hair real quick. I'm gonna take all these scraps off the hair. Cause I got like 3 scraps. This one. It's 2. I'm gonna scrap my hair. That's suicide. That's why she walked across the camera. So I also gotta leave to go to my class. So I got my college class today from 8 to 9, I think. So that's also why I'm getting ready right now. So I'm just wear this to there too, just so I can see how it looks. Yeah, cause I don't like it, I could change it, see what I don't like. I don't know, and then fix it. So yeah, hold on y'all. But I feel like, so like when you're here now, I feel like your hair also plays a role in like making your hair look cute, like making your outfit look cute. I don't know. Cute? Okay, just fix my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do lotion and then that's it. Yo, I really like my hair. I forgot to show y'all. I got my hair done actually, so my bad. I'm looking for that. It was a lot going on. And I was tired. I thought I was gonna fall asleep when I was getting my hair done. I don't know why. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna have my college class, so that's why I'm like getting ready and stuff. Cause I really don't gotta be there till like I really don't gotta be at my school till later. Cause I got late in, so.
I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do.